guys, welcome back to Red Park Garage. Today we're working on the Skyline. We finally got to the big part of the build. Is I'm just gonna go ahead and get this thing torn apart, get everything that we need out of the way, and then I'm gonna get all the parts laid out as best I can. Maybe on the workbench over there. And we'll go over everything that's going in this car. So we'll probably throw some time-lapse footage in here right now and just start pulling this thing apart. So hope you guys enjoy. Hopefully this guy comes out on the first try. We will see. Just had a 17. It still fits. Alright, we're gonna bump on her a little bit here and see. Feels good. Let's see if she comes all the way out. Looks good. Good deal. It's been a couple of times I've had some break off on me and I had to do it once again, but this one came right out. That is awesome. Just gotta make sure you put a lot of heat into that weld. There she is. That's awesome. Alright guys, got the turbo, exhaust manifold, all that good stuff out. Finally got the intake manifold out. It was actually a good bit worse than the turbo, but it's out. I've never seen this many hoses since I worked on I don't know, like an 84 Cadillac. This is like an insane amount of hoses. I don't understand how these things don't have more coolant leaks and a lot of crazy stuff going on, but looks like she's in pretty good shape. Had a little bit of a valve cover leak back here in this corner somewhere. The only thing I see that's a little bit crazy is it looks like one of the soft plugs has been filled with what appears to be RTV. So we're gonna have to definitely explore that. I'd be willing to bet we're gonna have to replace the soft plug there. So if we do that one, I may end up just doing all of them. We'll see. But that definitely needs to be addressed. It doesn't look like it was leaking. This coolant is from where I was unhooking all this other stuff. So, but still, we're not gonna leave that there. But anyway, that's gonna do it for today. So anyway, as soon as as soon as I get a chance, we're going to go over these parts that are going in, and we'll start putting this thing back together. So y'all stay tuned for that. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff, you know. We'll see you next time.